Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Mountain Creek Retirement Living. We're going to take you through the experience of the average day of not only one of our residents, but also one of our employees. We hope to give you a perspective of the active lifestyle that we promote here at Mountain Creek. We hope you enjoy your visit.
But until I moved in here, I found out once I moved in here, I really didn't, I was doing okay, but this is even better, okay? I lost 30 pounds because I'm more active here. You know, I mean, I've got 3 little dogs out here, and I don't, you know, I used to just let them out the door, and now I walk them.
That's good, sir.
Around the building. I couldn't even hardly walk around the building when I came here, and I can almost run around it now. I took
We hope you enjoyed your experience here at Mountain Creek Retirement Living. We hope this opened your eyes to the type of services that we do offer here. Please look for us expanding into the Las Colinas and the greater Fort Worth area.
All right.
Are you recording? Okay. Chill out. Is sound in the camera?
Nah,
No. Okay.
it's not on the camera.
Hello, and thank you for joining me here at our Mountain Creek Retirement Living location in Grand Prairie. Today, we're going to take the time to show you our facility, introduce you to some of the actions.
Hey, dude, we got 1 bar of battery life. Let's knock this out. Let's go.
I was doing so good, and that would have been badass.
Let's go.
You could have pulled it off.
This is gargoyles. This is gargoyles, man. Come on. Just come from behind a wall. Dude, it's on red now. Let's go. Let's go. All right.
So it's Demi.
Dude, let's go.
You're getting a laugh attack, dude. Shut up.
Damn it.
All right, come on, dude. Let's just do this. Is it recording right now?
Not with that.
Is it recording right now?
Not with that playing.
Dude, let's just do it. Let's just do it, man. Come on. Let's go.
Oh my God. All right, hurry up. Let's
Hello,
go.
and thank you for
Dude, what's going on here, man? Sal, what are you doing?
I swear, dude, I was just walking
Hurry up.
away from
A
you.
pit bull's gonna come out there and kill us.
Stand right there.
I am, dude. I'm not even looking at you. I just went
You
like
did
this.
this, man. The first one was good. Okay.
Let's go.